Hey folks, if you're like me, you wind up with a lot more squash than you need in your garden, and when you do, there's a good way to freeze it so it's quick to cook later on, that it does not involve blanching or doing that. I'm not saying that's wrong, but you don't have to do it. Simple as that. I'm going to get these sliced up into consistent pieces, about 1/4 inch or slightly less thick, and we'll be right back with you. Once we get these sliced, I'm using parchment paper. You can also use wax paper if you like. I put parchment paper down in the bottom of this Rubbermaid container, and then put a layer of squash. Then we'll put another layer of parchment paper and just keep going in layers. Once these are frozen solid, we take them out of the freezer and we put them into individual bags and get the air out. They work that well. We'll follow up here in just a second. Okay, after your squash are individually frozen, you've got layers of them individually. We're just going to take those and put them in the size bags that you want to use and label them and put them in the freezer. Try to be quick so they don't thaw and then stick together. Let's get them packed up. All right, you can see I got quite a bit out of that. Each layer gave me, I used gallon ziplocks here. These are gallon ziplocks, but I don't fill them all the way, just force all the air out. And then you're ready to go. Get them in the freezer quick. Enjoy them. You can leave them in these bags and actually take maybe 2 beaten eggs and put in the bag, and then shake it all around, get it all over all of them. And again, cornmeal and then a little bit of flour. Shake it all around. You can add some salt to it if you like, but I usually salt mine afterwards. Shake that all up and drop it in some oil about 350, 375 degrees and let them turn brown. Flip them over. It's good stuff. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for watching. Tennessee Farm out.